Have you ever wondered how a simple juice can transform your health and help you feel revitalized? Today, we're diving into the world of detoxifying juices and exploring their incredible power to cleanse your body and boost your overall well-being. Detoxifying juices are more than just a trend. They're a delicious way to help your body eliminate toxins, support digestion, and improve your energy levels. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these juices can enhance your health and rejuvenate your spirit. So let's take a look at 3 of the most detoxifying drinks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. First up is the Green Detox Juice. This powerhouse drink is made with kale, cucumber, green apple, and lemon. Kale is loaded with chlorophyll, which helps to remove toxins, while cucumber hydrates and flushes out impurities. The green apple adds a touch of sweetness and provides fiber to aid digestion. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to boost your immune system and enhance detoxification. Blend these ingredients together and you have a refreshing drink that's as tasty as it is nutritious. Next, we have the Beetroot Detox Juice. Beetroots are known for their detoxifying properties as they support liver function and improve blood flow. Combine fresh beets with carrots, ginger, and a splash of orange juice for a vibrant drink that's rich in antioxidants. This juice not only cleanses your body, but also boosts your stamina and energy levels, making it a perfect pre-workout beverage. Last but not least, let's talk about the Pineapple Cucumber Detox Juice. Pineapple is a natural diuretic and contains bromelain, which helps to break down proteins and reduce inflammation in the body. When combined with hydrating cucumber and a squeeze of lime, this juice becomes a refreshing and rejuvenating drink, perfect for hot days or after a workout. Simply blend fresh pineapple chunks, cucumber slices, and lime juice together for a tropical detox treat that will leave you feeling revitalized. So there you have it. 3 powerful detoxifying juices that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you choose the Green Detox Juice, Beetroot Detox Juice, or Pineapple Cucumber Detox Juice, each of these drinks offers unique benefits to help cleanse your body, boost your energy, and enhance your overall health. Remember, detoxifying your body doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few servings of these nutrient-packed juices can make a significant difference in how you feel. So why not give them a try? Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and delicious recipes. Share your favorite detox juice in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this journey to better health. Cheers to your health and happiness.